Hello and welcome to Tablescape Tuesday. This is hosted every Tuesday by Anna from the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, and the guest host is Pure Elegance by Kim, and she's chosen the theme Beach. So I'm going to start with this really pretty shell table runner that I purchased from Amazon. Next, I'm going to add this wispy grasses that are bundled together, and I'm going to place them inside this white vase. There we go. Isn't that pretty? Very beachy looking. Next, I'm going to be adding this wood grain charger. I only have 2 of those, so I'm going to place those on the side with these blue stoneware plates with the white edged flowers. Next, I'm going to add this starfish plate. It is one of 4 Nautical salad plates that I had purchased from Amazon. Next, I'll be adding my navy napkin with my gold and silver fork and knife placed on top of the navy napkin with a white seashell in between. I thought it like really popped against the navy napkin. But isn't that pretty? Very nautical looking. Okay, now I'm at the end where I'm going to be adding this blue stoneware plate. This was only $2 from the Dollar General, a woodland cottage collection. I have showcased these before. They're very pretty. And this time with the seahorse salad plate. Again, that was from Amazon, so that's the second one of 4. And here's my glass goblet, Dollar General for that. I believe that was only $2 at the Dollar General, but very pretty. And again with my navy napkin and knife and fork with a shell in between. Okay, and here is the third nautical plate with the sea turtles. Again with the blue plate underneath. Now I'm going to be adding this little blue riser with the sea candle on top with the turtles. But first I'm going to add a little bit of sand to the top of the it's a little mini cake riser. So a little bit of sand, and then I'll place the candle on top. There we go. Okay, next I'm going to be adding some seashells. So I'm going to just place a few at both ends. Here's a pretty white one, and there was a brown one. And then I'm also going to be adding these really pretty blue wine glasses. I mix and match my wine glasses a lot, so I've got 2 of the clear crystal ones and 2 of the blue tinted ones. And some more seashells. You gotta have seashells when you're having a beach tablescape. And I even added a few tiny seashells to the top of the riser around the candle. Isn't that cute? Now stay tuned till the end. I will be lighting all the candles. And I also have these little turtles that are made out of seashells. It kind of got blurry there. I hope you were able to see that. But there's 2 of those. And I have these really pretty spiral blue candles in a crystal glass candle holder. And I'll be adding those to the other end of the table. So here's what it looks like so far. And here was the 4th salad plate, which has a crab on it. Those are my only nautical plates that I have, so I have showcased them quite often. I think the little seahorse is so cute. So here is the completed tablescape. Now you all have to let me know what you think. Leave me a comment and a like. Be sure to check out the playlist. Now here is my side area with the shelf and the table, and I've made it very nautical looking as well, with this cute painting of some little boys playing on the beach, playing in the sand. I thrifted that. And then this sign here that says, "Let the sea set you free." And my shelf here has a little sailboat on it. That also was thrifted. And I've got a couple of little small cups with lemon trees in it. And then I have my round cutting board hanging in the middle with some cups with blue flowers. And here I have my sailor that I haven't quite finished painting yet. A sailboat with some lemons and limes in it, and some more lemons in the picture there on the end. And also some yellow candles. So I thought that looked very nice, and it went with the table. Okay, now I'm going to light the candles. So again, thank you all for watching. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel and you like this kind of content, please consider doing so. I would appreciate it so much. Bye-bye for now.